Hi, my name is Jatin Vora and I'm facing the snoring problem last almost 1 year, and I'll take the feedback and suggestion from the different ENT specialist, and finally I got the information from the Dr. Vikas Agrawal, and I very thank you to Dr. Vikas Agrawal for the especially my surgery is going from the nose and throat, and finally I'm happy to, and the snoring is completely closed, completely like we go ahead and the now new happy life. And also I'll thank to my mom, okay, this is from the this 1 month period he also helped to me, and especially the faculties for the Dr. Vikas Agrawal, and also thanks to Bhatt sir and the Mr. Shravan and all, because he is also give very help to me for regarding this all this stuff like medicines and any consultancy and all. And